Hey RuleeDollz, it's your girl Ruriko here, and today my darlings, we're back here with our video. I know it's been a long time since you heard my voice or seen my face, but your girl is back and I just can't even be more happier, to be honest with you. So here we are with a tutorial. It's kind of like a rainbow look. You know me, I really don't know how to describe my looks or whatever. I don't know what it is with me, but I find it so hard to describe my looks because I freehand everything. Like, I don't even know what I'm doing when I sit down sometimes and do my look. I just pick up the brush and go. So as you can see on the screen, I am carving out my eyebrows. I was also talking to my daughter and I was also singing as well. So if my mouth is moving and I'm looking all crazy, girl, that's the reason why. But I am carving out my eyebrows. I am using the P.A.L.L base in Ruma number 5. Also, I've carved up my eyebrows and done my eyebrows with Anastasia Beverly Hills in Ebony. Now I'm going to go on to use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Mattifying Base. It is literally my most favorite primer ever. It really does mattify your skin. It makes it non-oily, and then the foundation just sticks to it, girl, and it just makes it nice, radiant from within, and it's just still one of my favorite primers ever. We are now going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette volume 2. It is so beautiful. This palette is absolutely stunning. I am using D3 from the row D just to line my eyes. As you can see here, I'm just basically making the crease where I would want it, and then I'm going to smoke that all out. The colors in this palette are just so pigmented. Literally, if you ain't got this palette, you need to get the palette. There's volume 1, 2 and 3, and it's just so stunning. I'm now going into B5 from the palette just to go up a little bit, just to kind of like mix those colors together and start blending them effortlessly together and blending them upwards. These two colors really work well together, and literally so pigmented that, you know, you don't need to do that much work, as you can see. I'm now going back in with D3 from the Norvina palette. I'm just now blending it out with some more pink. I'm now going to go back in with some blue. I'm going to raise it right up to my brow bone, where I'll leave a small gap for the next color that I'm going to put in. I really love the way that this look came together. It was wild. It was really out there. It was colorful, as you guys already know. I'm now going in with D4 from the palette, and I'm packing on the yellow at the top. I just thought it was quite cool to just have this kind of like rainbow effect. So now I'm just cleaning it up with a Q-tip, just making sure that, you know, we get those edges nice and cut before we put on some nice glitter, girl. I'm now going in with the company, as you can see, I was stunned. I'm now going in with the company Samaritans. They do some amazing pigments, amazing highlighters, amazing eyelashes. They're a beautiful company in the UK, but their pigments are absolutely stunning, otherworldly, out of this world. This is in E4, and literally it's like Swarovski crystals on your eyelids. It hits the lights in so many different colors. It's absolutely stunning. I'm now going to start using the Morphe foundation, and as you can see, I made a little bit of a oopsie whoopsie. So I'm using the foundation in F480. It's the Fluidity foundation. It's so good. It's one of my favorites since I've actually bought this foundation. I don't think another foundation's actually touched my skin. I find it to be just the best. I am a little bit lighter here because it was just the winter in London, so I do get a little bit lighter. So believe me, this does match me. I'm kind of bad. Like, when I find something, I just use it all of the time. It doesn't really help when you're a makeup artist and you need to keep on changing so that you can show, you know, your followers different foundations and stuff. Now it's time for concealer. I'm going to conceal my face with Jeffree Star Cosmetics Magic Star Concealer in C22. This is my second round of this concealer. It's absolutely amazing. I find it melts into the skin and gives me that beautiful snatched glow from within. I am now going to bake my face in Banana. It is from Jeffree Star's Cosmetics. I absolutely love this baking powder. The reason why I love it so much is because any other baking powder that I used, like because I got combination skin, I'm pretty dry around my T-zones, and anytime I used to bake, it used to be flaky. I used to spend so much time, you know, peeling off bits of skin off my face, like dry skin and stuff like that, because any other powder that I used previously would really dry up my skin and it just really would look horrendous and it would never melt in. You know, finding something that can bake you but also kind of like be hydrating to the point where it's not making your skin flaky. This is the reason why I absolutely love this baking powder. And I'm also using Caramel to make sure all of the rest of my face is nice and matte. I'm using Matte Fix Plus for my spray. I'm using EX1 Cosmetics for my blush, and I also went in with Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzing powder. I go back in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Volume 2 palette. I go in with B1. It has a beautiful shimmery glitter effect in this green, just to come and smoke out my under eye. I thought it would be really fun to use some more pop of colour. I now line my eyes with Gerard's Cosmetics Red Big Road eyeliner. It is one of the best eyeliners ever. I didn't get any pictures, unfortunately, of my rainbow, so that was me taking a TikTok real quick. And now I'm going to use Bad Girl Bang to prep my eyes for some falsies. I now go and use the Milk stamp, the little star on the other eye. And now I'm going to try and put some falsies on. As you can see, I had so much issues with the falsies. Unfortunately, I didn't like that one, so I went and tried another one. I didn't like them. As you can see, they made my eyes look horrible, so I took them off. And then I found my trusted Lily lashes in Mink Miami. I then go in with Gerard's Cosmetics again, and I use Seduction on the lips. Absolutely beautiful blood red gothic-y vampire feel. That is the completed look, guys. I was feeling myself, as you can see. I hope you guys have enjoyed spending some time with me, and I'll see you on the next one.